Good morning, everybody. It is currently 8:20 in the morning. I've been up for probably about an hour, but I pretend I'm sleeping so Ben doesn't bother me. But it is Miss Charlotte's birthday today, you guys. She is turning officially 1 year old. I actually watched my vlog that I posted back when she was born. It was just so crazy. It seems like yesterday. Like, I just remember everything to a T from the day she was born. But it is crazy. Graham's sleeping right now. I'm gonna start clearing off the kitchen table. I want to put a little bit more decorations up. I'm probably gonna blow some more balloons up. I'm gonna get rid of all this mess right here. Say happy birthday, Miss Charlotte. Happy birthday. Yeah. So that is what's going on. I'm gonna probably get dressed today. I'm gonna put my makeup on and everything because it's a photo opportunity. But yeah, I'm just gonna, I want to get this place clean like we're actually having people over. Not as clean as we usually have it, but I want to just get it clean. And my desk is a mess again. I don't know how it just gets all messed up. It's like, seriously, so that's a weekend project for me to work on. But yeah, so today we're gonna have some, I don't even know what we're gonna have for food today, but I know definitely we're gonna have cake. And then Grandma asked me tomorrow, he's like, well, what do you want for Mother's Day? And I'm like, I don't know. I don't know, because he wanted to go to this one place tomorrow, but we ended up going there yesterday. But I'm like, anyways, Graham, isn't it? You little stink butt. She just loves standing up there. You be careful.
Even the toy box.
But Graham's like, well, I said, technically, Graham, it's Mother's Day, so shouldn't I get the choice? So he's like, well, what would you like? Well, the restaurants that I actually want are closed down. They're not doing curbside, so I'm like, okay, I gotta figure out what else I want. But I definitely want Dairy Queen. I want either a Dairy Queen ice cream cake or I'll just have a Blizzard. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. But we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do today. I think we should just do pizza. I think is what we should do. You know, that's what we usually have is pizza. Something. Or we can figure out something. When I go to the grocery store, I can always pick something up. But yeah, I'm hoping to have an awesome day. And you guys will come along with me. It's all about Princess Charlotte. Yeah! You be careful. Oh, and we're drooling. Okay. So,
hey, can we see your birthday outfit? Can we see your birthday outfit? Come here.
I want to play this weird game.
You're playing this weird game?
Yeah.
Let's see your birthday outfit. Oh, what does it say? It says a birthday girl. Happy birthday. Oh, she's like, Mom, I want to be on camera. I want to see myself on camera. Yeah. Yeah. So we're going to go and get her cake right now. And then we're gonna order some pizza and come home and eat some pizza, and
I want Wagyu first.
Well, we gotta eat it at home, but we're gonna go get some.
I want in a car.
Okay, but we're gonna go get some pizza, eat it here, and then after that, I'll get everybody situated to sing happy birthday to her. Guys, so I ended up taking some of the tulle that I had left, and I kind of just made a little headband with it. So I thought that was cool. I get a kick out of it. I was trying to FaceTime with my mom, trying to get her this whole Zoom thing going on, and Graham's like, "Let's go. Let's go, let's go." And now I'm sitting here waiting for him. I have all kids in the car ready to go, and he's the last one to get in the car. Seriously, Graham? And now he's got to check out his car. It's like, really? It's like Grandpa Graham here.
So I told my family that we were going to call them at like 2:30. It's 2:33. Graham's outside mowing the lawn. I'm just getting everything set up. I didn't go totally all overboard like I said I was going to. But here is her throne, you guys. She's playing with balloons right now. But I got balloons, I got helium balloons, I got her thing. I just used a tablecloth to use a background because we just have like a boyish. Here's her little tutu that I'm going to put on her, and then I'm just going to have her not wear any clothes and just wear a bib just because cake is a mess. But I got the laptop all ready to go, I got my camera ready to go, and then I have another camera that I'm going to have because I'm actually going to record like her reaction with the parents and everything. Graham's got to get his camera all ready to go. So we got that going on, and then here is her cake, you guys. So this is her birthday. I wish they did a light teal instead of a dark teal. If I can get this open. But there is one
this is her birthday cake, so we're gonna be eating that, and then Graham's parents are coming over. We'll get it to go. And then here's one of her smash cakes that she's gonna eat. But I'm pretty excited to have some cake. Okay, you guys, so we're just about to have a birthday party, and now the neighborhood parade is coming. Can you wave to them, Benjamin? Yeah! They're all waving. Yay! Charlotte! Benjamin, stop. Okay, ready?
Hey.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Charlotte.
Happy birthday to you. Hello everybody. So it is now 5:52. We did the online thing. So everybody is saying happy birthday. It was awesome. She just dug into her cake like crazy. She was super tired, so we had her. I'm having her take a nap, and then we're gonna go take some pictures. But I got my cake. We're having some cake right now. She had her own cake, and I still have another cake for her to eat. But we might just save it for tomorrow, depending on the weather.
Cake.
Ben wants more cake. But yeah, so we're gonna continue doing what Graham's parents came over and dropped off her present. They gave her like a little pink chair, which is cute because it's like a throne
Mommy.
for her. And then yeah, so we're just having a nice relaxing night. Graham and I are gonna get the kids' bed ready for bed, but Charlotte's probably not gonna go to bed early. But that little man will. But we're gonna watch some movie. And yeah. So the girl's drinking her little water. Graham's chilling. We're going out for a little walk. Daddy's gonna push her. So good waters. You got your birthday shirt on. Your birthday shirt. Charlotte is enjoying her quarantine birthday. Are you having a good time too, Benny? Look at you, me darling. No, Charlotte, no! No! Super speed! Super speed! Going for a family walk. I don't know if I pointed this out to you guys, but I have my mermaid shirt on. I got this at the children's place. But Graham saw a ball. Is that our poop emoji ball? Yeah. We lost a ball months ago. But yeah, I bought this shirt a long time ago.
Hey, look what I found.
Daddy found the missing ball!
Yay!
How long has that been missing for?
Look what I found.
No, we all watch
How much air is in it?
Look how dirty it is.
Yeah.
We all watch
guys, I look
it.
like crap. Okay, it is now 7:33. Charlotte did take a long nap, so that's why when we went for a walk to go get the fresh air. And then now we actually decided to go see these lights that they have. I've seen it once. Graham and Ben have seen it twice. But all it is like Christmas time they have these things, what I call a rotary lights, but basically you just sit in your car and you go, you know, around. Well, our area near the airport made some really cool lights, and there's some really good ones, so I wanted to get it on video for you guys. So depending on what footage I could get, I might use it for this video or I might do a separate video.
Wait, baby, but I just downloaded.
Yeah. So it's called what is it called? Lights of Flights or Flights of Lights or something. It's really cool because they got like Disney, they got Vegas, Atlanta, whatever, I don't know, but it's super cool. So tomorrow's the last night that they're doing it, so I'm like, let's just go. You know, Charlotte took a late nap. We're still enjoying her birthday, aren't we, Miss Darlet? Yeah. So that is what we're going to do. I need some water. Ben dropped Charlotte's sippy cup on our walk, so Graham went to go drive by it over and see if he could find it. So hopefully he found it because it's a brand new sippy cup. It's like, seriously, she just started drinking out of sippy cups and we lost it. So that's what he's doing, and that's Okay, you guys, it's like 9:33. We went for a little joyride. Graham wanted to show me a couple places that are kind of cool in the dark. So we got lost.
We were lost.
Yeah, we got lost. But funny thing is, we had 2 raccoons that jumped out in front of us, and then we had 1 deer that jumped out in front of us, and then another deer was just sitting chilling next to the road. So that was kind of cool. We were only going like 10 miles per hour, but still kind of cool. Miss Charlotte is all pooped out from her birthday.
And I downloaded new games today.
Yeah, so we had a lovely birthday.
I downloaded Web Ball. But after I found MunchPak, and Web Ball was not there. And I I just saw this game. I watched it for and I saw it. And we bought it on Google Play.
Okay.
Buy it.
Okay, thanks, kid. So it is supposed to be super cold apparently tonight. There's like a polar vortex. We don't know what we're in for tomorrow. We don't know if there's snow. We don't know if it's rain. We have no idea. So we're gonna play by ear tomorrow, but I will be couponing tomorrow, and then Graham is gonna go visit his mom, drop some stuff off, and then we're gonna go get some ice cream at Dairy Queen, and I don't know what else we're gonna go do. Graham's like, well, what do you want to do? I have no idea. But everybody, Miss Charlotte had a wonderful first birthday. You've been to Dairy Queen. But Charlotte has been, Ben, just quiet. We've had a wonderful first birthday, so everybody say bye. Say bye, Miss Charlotte. Bye.
Benjamin,
She's tired, so we're gonna go to sleep.